In the last video, I showed you how to make the first of two dipping sauces that Benihana serves with every meal, the mustard sauce for meats. Today I'm going to show you how to make the second, the ginger dipping sauce for seafood. It's a super simple recipe and you literally just dump everything into a food processor. And you can make it with ingredients that you can find at any grocery store. So let me show you how easy it is to make this sauce. Add 2.5 ounces or 70 grams of thinly sliced onion to a food processor or blender. Then add 1 ounce or 28 grams of thinly sliced ginger, the zest from 1 small lemon, 1.5 tablespoons or 22 milliliters of lemon juice, 1 cup or 240 milliliters of soy sauce, and 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of seasoned rice vinegar. Then blend or pulse until all the ingredients are mixed well, usually about 20 to 60 seconds. You're looking for a chunky consistency. Now the ginger sauce is ready as is, but the flavor really develops if you let it sit in the fridge for several hours. So if you're planning on serving it right away, taste it, because it can be a little tart if you don't let it sit for a few hours. If you find the flavors too sharp, just add a tiny bit of sugar to taste. And it's really that simple. That's the exact recipe from the restaurant. I hope you'll try this out because most of the dishes at Benihana are very simple to replicate and you can make them at home for a fraction of the cost of what you'd spend at the restaurant. I'm planning to break down even more of their dishes in future videos, so stick around and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. And if you enjoyed the video, please share, hit like, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.